Hello friends, hope you all are in a good spirit and welcome to this amazing video by Financial Literacy. I am Nupur and in this video I'll show you how to use concatenate function in Excel. Here I have two words, hello and world in two different cells. I'll show you how to join these two using the concatenate function. So I start typing the formula in the cell A7. I type equals to CONC, and as you can see, Excel prompts me in the function. I hit tab and it auto completes the function, and I choose cell A5, cell B5. As I press enter, you can see it has joined these two strings for me. It says hello world without any space because I did not mention any. But in case I want to introduce a space between these two characters, I can use this space as one of the characters. So the first text is hello. The second one is a space that I have manually inserted, and the third one is world. Now, when I hit enter, it gives me hello world with a space in between. That's all in this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.